This review is compiled from a wide range of user feedback and expert observations to provide a comprehensive overview of the Stress Balls Ice Cube with snowflakes inside by 2Care. This sensory fidget toy is designed to offer a mellow and calming experience for both kids and adults, particularly those seeking stress relief and anxiety management through tactile stimulation. The product features a unique ice cube shape with snowflake pieces inside that move slowly, creating a visually soothing effect. The toy is made from smooth silicone material, designed to be soft and pliable with a slow rise effect when squeezed, which encourages gentle pressure and deep touch stimulation. This makes it useful for calming restless hands and improving focus in various settings, including classrooms and workplaces. Users have praised the toy for its sensory feedback and the quality of its material. Many report that the texture is firm yet malleable, softening with play and returning to its original shape after a short period. The compact 2x 2x 2-inch size fits comfortably in the palm, making it easy to hold discreetly and carry around. The icy blue color and the snowflake details inside add an appealing visual element that enhances the calming effect. Several users have found it beneficial not only for stress relief, but also as a therapeutic tool for recovering hand injuries, helping to improve strength and dexterity. The toy has been especially appreciated by parents of children with autism and sensory processing needs. It serves as a calming tool that helps children relax and focus, and it has been successfully used as classroom prizes to encourage positive behavior and engagement. The silent nature of the toy is a significant advantage, allowing it to be used in quiet environments without causing distractions. However, there are some notable drawbacks reported by users. A recurring issue is the stickiness of the material. Many have described the toy as having a tacky or clammy feel that can cling to hands and attract dust and debris. Washing the toy sometimes helps, but may not fully eliminate the stickiness, which can be uncomfortable for some users, especially those with heightened sensory sensitivities. A workaround suggested by some is using a tissue to reduce the tacky sensation during use. Another concern is the durability of the toy. Several users have experienced the product bursting or developing cracks shortly after opening, causing the sticky gel inside to leak. This leakage can be messy and difficult to clean, leading to disappointment and dissatisfaction. The seal or plug where the toy bursts appears to be a weak point, and these incidents seem to be due to manufacturing defects rather than user misuse. Despite this, some users continue to enjoy the toy even with minor damage, noting that it remains playable. The clarity of the toy, which initially showcases the snowflakes inside beautifully, tends to diminish over time. This loss of transparency detracts from the aesthetic appeal and the calming visual effect, which some users found disappointing since the look of the toy also contributes to its therapeutic value. Overall, the Stress Balls Ice Cube with snowflakes inside is a well-designed sensory toy that delivers on many of its promises. It offers a quiet, portable, and visually engaging way to relieve stress and anxiety through tactile stimulation. The size and shape make it suitable for discrete use in various environments, and it is particularly valued by parents and educators for children needing sensory support. Its therapeutic benefits extend to adults as well, providing a simple but effective tool to manage daily stress. The main drawbacks to consider are the stickiness of the material and potential durability issues. These factors may affect long-term satisfaction and usability. Prospective buyers should be aware of these concerns, but also recognize the positive feedback regarding the toy's calming effects, sensory engagement, and overall quality when intact. In conclusion, this sensory stress ball is a valuable addition to the range of fidget toys available for anxiety relief and focus enhancement. It is recommended for those looking for a quiet, visually appealing, and tactilely satisfying stress relief option. Users who have experienced this product are encouraged to leave their reviews to help others make informed decisions. The product link is provided in the description to support the channel and facilitate easy access for interested viewers.